Hey guys, what's happening? Thanks for tuning in, coming back. I appreciate it. And I sound like crap, and that's because I've been sick. So I haven't been able to make any videos because I've been busy coughing and sneezing and going through Kleenex like crazy. And I'm not over it, so I'm trying. I want to get back to making some videos, but it's tough when you can't talk more than a couple of sentences without coughing. So I'm going to make this quick because otherwise I'm going to start coughing, and that's really going to suck. Here's what I'm here to talk about today, and that is I'm super close to 10,000 subscribers. I got about 150 something to go. It might be a couple of weeks or so, but I've hinted at this in a last couple of videos, I think. But I want to do a giveaway when I get to 10,000, and I need your help to get there. You can win some prizes, and I've literally got hundreds of dollars worth of prizes. And so when I started thinking about doing this giveaway when I get to 10,000, I wasn't sure what to give away. I was like, well, what can I give away? Like, I already do videos, all this free training that shows everybody how to use Luminar and Aurora or whatever. So I came up with a couple things. And the first thing is I went and talked to my friends at Skype Software, and they make Aurora, and they make the Luminar, and they make Photolemur, and they're going to let me give away some software. So I've got 2 copies of Luminar 2018 I'm going to give away for free to one of you lucky winners. And I've also got 2 copies of Photolemur version 3, which is the new version, giving that away free as well. Now, that's 4 copies of software, and with the Luminar, those that win the 2 copies of Luminar, I'm also going to kick in my London Calling preset pack, because I have presets to give away. I just realized that here recently, and my Cityscapes preset pack. So you could be one of 2 lucky winners to win Luminar plus $20 worth of presets for me. Also, you could possibly win one of the 2 copies of Photolemur. But that's not all. I'm going to give away 5 versions of a combination pack. That's going to be London Calling and Cityscapes, both Luminar preset packs. I'm going to give away 5 of those as a combo. So each of those is worth $10. That's a $20 value. So I'm giving away 5 of those where someone will win both packs. In addition, one of the other things I do, and I don't ever talk about this here, and that is I get on Skype and I train people on this software. So people hire me, and I usually charge $75 an hour, and people will hire me to help them with their images and train them on Luminar and Aurora and that sort of thing. I'm going to give away 3 different 30-minute sessions, and so that's almost a $40 value, and that's going to go to 3 lucky winners. And what we'll do is we'll get on Skype and we'll set up and we'll talk just like this. You'll send me your photos beforehand, and we'll walk through how I would edit those and ask any questions that I can help you with on Luminar or Aurora, right? So that's another prize. In addition, my London Calling preset pack, I'm going to give away 10 of those individual packs. I'm also going to give away 10 of my Cityscapes preset pack individually. So 2 copies of Luminar 2018 with $20 worth of presets, 2 copies of Photolemur 3. 5 combo packs where you get both London Calling and Cityscapes, 3 30-minute Skype sessions, 10 copies of London Calling to 10 individual winners, and 10 copies of my Cityscapes preset pack. That's like 40 prizes. It's worth $600 and something. It's just my way of saying thanks. And the truth is, getting to 10,000, it's a great milestone, and it feels good to sort of get your chin to that bar. But it doesn't really change a lot of things. It's not like it's really like a big deal in some ways. It means a lot to me because it's reinforcement for me that what I'm doing is helping you guys, and I really appreciate it. I wanted to give something back, and so that's what I'm giving back. Free software, free presets, and some free one-on-one Skype session trainings. And so how do you enter? How do you win? Leave a comment and just say, hey, I want to enter, I want to win, pick me, whatever it is you want to say, just something random, as long as it's polite. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to gather all the names in a hat and start pulling them out. I'm going to start with the grand prize winners, and I'll just work my way through. Here's what happens. If you're a grand prize winner and you already have Luminar or you already have all those preset packs, you can just choose something else. So I'll just find a way to make sure you get a prize that's worth something to you. So that's what's happening, and that's what we're going to do. So how can you help? Leave a comment, and this is the big part, I need help getting to 10,000. So in order to get more people to see this post, I'm asking you to like it and then share it on your social media site of choice. So if that's Twitter, great, tag me. If that's Facebook, great, tag me when you post these things. I want to see you guys just going crazy, tagging me and posting and sharing this stuff. And if you want to share it on multiple places, that's great. All I ask is you share it once and leave a comment below so that I know that you're entered. And that's how it wins. Once I get to 10,000, I'm over that threshold. I'll be making, putting all these names in a hat and drawing winners. And that's the deal, my friends. So thank you very much. I'm going to go cough and blow my nose and have a lot of fun with that. I look forward to giving this stuff away because it's fun. I love to give away stuff. I've never win anything, but hey, I'm happy to give stuff to you guys. I hope you win. And thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't yet, subscribe, because you got to get me to 10,000, right, in order for these prizes to come out. And that's it, my friends. I'll be back soon with a video. Hopefully my throat will clear up and I can talk better. And I've got a few more videos planned over the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. That's it. Short video, just me. Sorry, no fun and games in the software today, but we'll be talking soon. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Take care. Good luck, and adios.